Hello everyone, it's Allison here. Welcome to this video where I'm going to do a review of the Bitsgap auto trading bot. I have been using this bot now for the past couple of weeks and I wanted to show you an update on what I'm doing and how I've been using it to profit from the movements in the market. In fact, the bot actually profits from every single movement in the market, and that is how it is configured. So let me put myself to one side. I'm sure you can see me right there. Good. So if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and also click that notification button so that whenever I release new videos, you will be in line to know about them. And also don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video. So as you can see on my screen, I have been trading this bot now for quite some time. So what I'm going to do today, it is still making profits even though some of the pairs are falling in value, but there's not a lot you can do about that. The bot only buys and buys low and then sells high. Okay, so today what I'm going to do first, in fact, let's look at the market first. Bitcoin, today is the 22nd of December. Bitcoin is now gone above $23,000 again, which is good news because it tends to drag all the other currencies up as well. Okay, so having said that, we're looking for how we're going to profit from every movement in the market, because listen, as you know, sometimes you don't know when to sell. I still have coins now where the price hit all-time highs and I didn't sell. Because either I wasn't by my computer or I just didn't have an order to sell. But what the Bitsgap does is that it sells when the market is rising and then buys it back when the market is selling. Let's have a look at Acro, for instance. Acro has made me a profit of over, you can see, $830 in the last 16 days alone. That's $830 in the last 16 days alone. So as you can see, all these red dots, they are the sells and all these green ones are the buys. So if we expand this a little bit, you will see that the buys, that all you see, it has cut even the topmost price. It's sold at the very top and is bought again at the very bottom. Now this market is back to baseline basically, right? To reset the bot and reinvest some of these profits into the bot. Okay, so to do that, I need to copy out the parameters first. Let me say I'm going to optimize the bot. So you can see the profit so far, 830. My investment has made 13% gain, and this is my grid spacing. So I'm going to copy down my grid spacing, which is 1.03%. It's often good to leave your grid spacing between 0.5 and 2%. Okay, so I'm going to close the bot right now. Let me see. So if I come here and close the bot, and let me show you some of the profits. So the profit I have here is about $830, and this is trading on Binance. So if I go to my Binance back office and I go to my wallet and overview, and then we go to the wallet overview, you're going to see that we have, if we click on here, you're going to see that we have, so for USDT, so I have about $498, which is part of the profit that this bot is making here on Binance. Okay, so I already used the money for some other things, to buy some other coins, but today I want to add this $400 to the trading capital of the bot to increase my investment. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to close the bot and then I'm going to cancel all the open orders. Okay, there are other options here. I can cancel all open orders or sell at market price. I don't want to sell, I just want to cancel. So if I cancel, I know I have about 182,000 Acropolis, 182 Acropolis and 6 in open orders. So if I cancel, I want to get that. And just 1 minute, let me show you something else as well. If I click on Acro, if we come to the top, if we click on view, you're going to see that we have let me see, so we have 1,353.2189 USDT, which is $1,300 here. So these are what I have in open orders, but I want to increase this amount, total investment here, by about $500 essentially, which is what we have here. because this pair has been very, very profitable, and it has now come back to support, if you know what I mean. So I want to restart the bot at support so I can have another bigger capital to trade. I'm just upscaling the bot. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to close the acro after noting down my grid spacing and my grid quantity. So grid quantity, I write that down. My grid quantity is 65 because I want to reset the bot around a grid quantity of 65 and then grid spacing of 1.03. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. So I will close the bot and then I'll cancel all open orders. So you can see the bot is cancelled. Let it settle down and let me see what I have. And once it settles down, then I can restart the bot. Okay, so let's see. Tap on there. Cool. So it looks like it's also going to cancel all the other orders on Binance as well. So let's see. If we go back to Binance, you now see that. Let me refresh this page. Let's see how much. You see, this is the previous money I had here, $498. Let's see if I refresh this page now. Because it's cancelled the bot, we're going to see probably about over $1,000 there now. So we see 1,852. So I'm going to restart the bot with 1,852 and 196,000 Acropolis. Okay, so I'll go back to the bot and I'm going to put the basic spacing here. I'll probably leave them as the same. That's what it was before, but let me see if I can get a bit more money here on the grid spacing. Let's see if I increase grid spacing, make it 67 and 1% or 65. Yeah, that's what it was before. So I'm going to start the bot. That's what you just do. So you select that, and I want the bot to use 95% of my base currency, which is Acro, to trade, and I'm going to restart the bot. So it is going to buy 12,000 Acro to restart the bot, and I'm going to say yes, buy. Okay, so as you can see, I have just restarted the bot, and I have actually increased my investment by about $100 essentially. And let us see how this one goes. Something I didn't quite check, if I'm honest, was the range. Right, I think I need to actually stop it. Let me see. Let me type in 65 and see what I get with that. 65. Okay, I'm back. So you can see I have now adjusted my grid spacing to a lower limit of 0.09 and an upper limit of that gives me exactly what I had before of 65 grid spaces and then 1% of profit per transaction. Okay, so I'm now going to restart the bot. Yeah, I will say buy Acro. Okay, so that is how you optimize the bot, and in another video I will give you future updates as to how the bot is going. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you again in my next video. This bot only buys low and only sells high as well. As you can see, it is telling me now that the bot has successfully started on Acro USDT. So it's going to start buying now and start selling, hopefully giving me a bit more profit. You can look at my history and see how this bot has made me $1,972 in profit over the last 30 days. Okay, from just 30 days has made me almost actually 1972 in profit. Okay, so you can see this is the Acro I just closed during this video, is it? But yeah, you can see all the profits it's made me in the last couple of weeks. Okay, it's Alison. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.